It's the new iPad with pencil support, and I want to talk to you about it right after this. Hello everybody, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech, and I have the new iPad with the Apple Pencil support. And what I have is the 32 gigabyte Wi-Fi only space gray iPad. Now, 45 days before Apple made their announcement, okay, I had bought just a simple iPad that I wanted to have as a viewfinder for my camera and also for my drones, okay? And so I wanted to make sure, I just wanted a simple one, didn't want anything, and then 45 days later, Apple goes out and makes mention of their iPad, their new iPad with pencil support, Apple Pencil support. And I'm like, hello, did I miss something here? So I went back, returned the iPad back, and got this one. And so I wanted to just kind of show you what this was about here, okay? I got the space gray because I wanted the black. The black kind of shows a little bit more of a screen, even though you still have the borders there, but it just kind of looks all together, whereas the white one you know, just does show the white borders around. This one has the A10 chip in it, A10 Fusion. It gives you compatibility with notes. It has it can do a lot of little things that the iPad normally could not do. And obviously the big kahuna here is this, the Apple Pencil compatibility that'll let you do it. And we'll hook this up here in a minute. If you have an iPhone or iPad, bring it nearby. Let's just do that. There we go. And look at that. It says set up as a new iPad. I sure am. It says connecting. There it is. It says to, you guys seeing all this nice little lovely thing? There it is, connecting. Finish on the iPad. Enter code into the passcode of your iPhone. All right, so no peeking, guys. All right, here we go. There it is. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad, so let's just lay down here that for a while. And even on my iPhone, it says finish on new iPad. Dude, is that not something or what? That is so cool. This is the reason why I like the Apple. They make things simple. Now this Apple Pencil happens to be from my iPad Pro. And so we're going to sync it here and start using it on here as well too. This is a benefit for me because quite honestly I wasn't planning to use the iPad for this type of capability, but it does have these capabilities. I think this is Apple's way to get into the educational field. I can see how this can be a great tool for my little girls. I have two girls, they're twins, 9 years, they're going to be 10 here next month, and I could see how they can utilize this in their school, at home, for play. They currently use, I have an iPad mini and another old first generation iPad, and they use that a lot. With this new advent of this new iPad with these capabilities and the A10 Fusion chip, I can see how this can even be better than the Chromebooks. on that. I have a vast array of apps that I've been an iTunes member or subscriber or been involved into this ecosystem for now over 12 years. And I've built up a lot of apps and a lot of movies and shows and things that of this ecosystem that the girls can benefit from it as well. iTunes Music, I'm a member of that, and they can be a part of that as well too on that, which I'm seeing it right now on that. I could see how this works great with that. Some of the things that the Apple, this iPad has the ability to do is keyboard. It can split the keyboard. It has split view. It can now has the ability to write and all that good stuff on that. So these are some of the things that I find it better, has a better control. Notes is becoming a big deal here as well. So these are some of the things that are just absolutely phenomenal about the iPad, the 2018 iPad with pencil support. Let me take a moment here to tell my supporters how much I appreciate you in subscribing and watching these videos and commenting most of all. And if you haven't had the opportunity, please subscribe now, and don't forget to hit the little bell that activates the notification so that when I bring out new videos, it will notify you and let you know what is going on here on Excel2 Tech. Let's see if we can sync the pencil, and this is the way you just sync the pencil. You just plug it in and it automatically syncs. I have another video that I'm going to show you right up here. I'm going to give you a little box on what happened. You know, I lost this little cap, and I went and bought some other accessories for it, other different caps for it that Amazon has. I did not know that you can call Apple, give them the serial number, and they'll send you one out. Now I think they charge you, I think I paid $5 on that. They also sell the little tips as well too, but anyway. So here we go. We can move, okay? The cool thing about on this Note app is that I can scan things and then I can write on it. So it says scan documents, and then I can, I'll say, yep, you know what, I'll go ahead and scan that. I'll scan it, and then on the scan, I can, you got these little dots, so I can move them around, and you notice that I'm moving them around with my Apple Pencil. Okay, and then I'll say keep scan, and there, boom. Okay, ready for next scan. I'm going to save it, and there it is. I see my scan in a perfect, and I can write on it. The other things I can do is this works with iWorks. If I turn it landscape, I want to show you the dock. Let's say I want to bring YouTube up. Okay, and then I want to bring Safari up as well. Then I can put Safari here, and then I have split view. And so I can see, let's bring Apple while we're, okay, and do the iPad, the new iPad. Let's learn more about it on that, okay. I can say, you know what, I want to take notes on this. Or actually, let's bring the split view back and let's bring our notes, and then let's just have note as a floater on that. Okay, and then let's do a new note. Okay, and let's bring notes on here. Now we got notes. We're going to bring notes. There it is. Okay. Obviously, I'm still learning how to do some things here because I don't use this as often. But I do want to show you the different things that you can do. You could also swipe, and then you got all your open apps that you've had in the background still running. You still have all your controls on this side where you can control your lights. You can record your screen however you want on that. But this is one of the things that I really do like about the new iPad 2018 on this one, and I think this will be a cool addition. I can actually see my girls. I'll probably get another one because since they're twins on that, but this is very, very well. Anyway, guys, if you like these videos, give me some thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me some comments. Let me know what you use. Do you like the, if you do have one, the new iPad, did you like that? With that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.